ওয়েলকাম টু অনলাইন এডুকেশন। আজকের ইকোলজি এবং এনভায়রনমেন্টালের টপ 50 কোশ্চেনের প্রথম কোশ্চেন হলো, ফলোয়িং ইজ দ্য মোস্ট ওয়াইডলি ডিসকাসড ইম্প্যাক্ট অফ ক্লাইমেট চেঞ্জ। অপশন এ, ইনক্রিজ ইন অ্যাভারেজ সি লেভেল। অপশন বি, ডিফরেস্টেশন। অপশন সি, soil erosion. Option D, none of the above. Right answer, option A, increase in average sea level. Next question, sea level is expected to rise because of warmer climate due to the following. Option A, oceans expand as they get warmer. Option B, glaciers and ice sheets melt. Option C, both the above. Option D, none of these. Right answer is option C, both the above. Next question, over the last 100 years, global sea level has risen by about. Option A, 20 to 25 semi. Option B, 10 to 10.5 semi. Option C, both the above. Option D, none of these. Right answer is option B, 10 to 12.5 semi. Next question, Ramsar Convention, to which India is a signatory, is related to conservation and wise use of. Option A, wetlands. Option B, genetic resources. Option C, mines. Option D, forest lands. Right answer is option A, wetlands. Next question, which sector is the largest emitter of greenhouse gases in India? Option A, transport. Option B, domestic. Option C, agriculture. Option D, electric power generation. এই কোশ্চেনটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। রাইট অ্যান্সার ইজ অপশন ডি, ইলেকট্রিক পাওয়ার জেনারেশন। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, দ্য লার্জেস্ট greenhouse gas leakage in the US history took place in February 2016. The gas was. Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, methane. Option C, chlorofluorocarbon. Option D, nitrous oxide. Right answer is option B, methane. Next question, the massive hole in the ozone layer over the Antarctica was first discovered in. Option A, 1976. Option B, 1985. Option C, 1960. Option D, none of these. Right answer option B, 1985. Next question, combustion of petrol in automobiles pollute air by producing following metal. Option A, mercury. Option B, cadmium. Option C, lead. Option D, none of these. Right answer, none of these. Next question, Montreal Protocol is related with. Option A, to protect the ozone layer depletion. Option B, global warming. Option C, acid rain. Option D, photochemical smoke. Right answer is Option A, to protect the ozone layer depletion. Next question. What was the title of the declaration letter of Rio 20? Option A, the future we want. Option B, the future we seek. Option C, the future we have. Option D, the future we see. Right answer is option A, the future we want. Next question. Which of the following region in India is now regarded as an ecological hotspot? Ecological hotspot. Option A, Western Himalayas. Option B, Eastern Himalayas. Option C, Western Ghats. Option D, Eastern Ghats. Right answer is option C, Western Ghats. Next question. Name a commercially used genetically modified cotton plant resistant to the deadly cotton pest Heliodis. Option A, PR cotton. Option B, BT cotton. Option C, HR cotton. Option D, ST cotton. Right answer is option B, BT cotton. Next question. This nitrogenous plant converts nitrogen gas from the air into inorganic nitrogen compounds which enrich the soil and is often used as a rotation crop known as option A, potatoes. Option B, banana. Option C, lentil. Option D, onion. Right answer is option C, lentil. Next question. Name the two most identifiable crops of the Green Revolution. Option A, rice and wheat. Option B, rice and maize. Option C, maize and wheat. Option D, wheat and maize. Right answer is option A, rice and wheat. Next question. The study of relation of animals and plants to their surrounding is called option A, ecology. Option B, archaeology. Option C, genealogy. Option D, elconology. Right answer is ecology. Next question. These naturally occurring elements in the rice husks makes it termite resistant. Option A, silicon. Option B, phosphate. Option C, nitrous gas. Option D, petroleum. Right answer is silicon. This strain of rice was one of the first high yielding varieties of seeds developed in the world. Name it. Option A, IR8. Option B, IS7. Option C, RS8. Option D, RV9. Right answer option A, IR8. Next question. Which element is depleted most from the soil after a crop is harvested? Option A, nitrogen. Option B, potassium. Option C, phosphate. Option D, fluoride. Right answer option B, potassium. Next question. India's first National Action Plan on Climate Change was released in option A 2018 AD, option B 2012 AD, option C 2014 AD, option D 2015 AD. Right answer is option A 2018 AD. Next question. Which one of the following gases is not a greenhouse gas? Option A CO2, option B CH4, option C NO2, option D O2. Right answer is option D O2. Next question. The maximum biodiversity is found in option A tundra, option B coniferous forest, option C tropical rainforest, option D temperate forest. Right answer is option C tropical rainforest. Next question. Indiscriminate use for fertilizer have led to option A soil pollution, option B water pollution, option C air pollution, option D all of the above. Right answer is option D all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is an artificial ecosystem? Option A rice field, option B forest, option C grassland, option D lake. Right answer is rice field. Next question. In which of the following region of India are you most likely to come across the Great Indian Hornbill in its natural habitat? Option A sand desert of northwest India, option B higher Himalayas of Jammu and Kashmir, option C salt marshes of western Gujarat, option D western Ghats. Right answer is option D western Ghats. Next question. Which one of the following greenhouse gases is in largest concentration in the atmosphere? Option A chlorofluorocarbon, option B nitrous oxide, option C carbon dioxide, option D methane. Right answer option C carbon dioxide. Next question. The World Environment Day falls on option A 2nd December, option B 16th September, option C 5th June, option D 11th July. Right answer is 5th June. Next question. Where is Wildlife Institute of India WLL located? Option A New Delhi, option B Coimbatore, option C Ahmedabad, option D Dehradun. Right answer is option D Dehradun. Next question. During photosynthesis, which of the following is absorbed by green plants? Option A helium, option B nitrogen, option C carbon dioxide, option D oxygen. Right answer is option C carbon dioxide. Next question. The organism which feed on the waste products are called? Option A detritivores, option B carnivores, option C herbivores, option D chemovores. Right answer is option C, herbivores. Next question, what type of energy is derived from heated water? Option A, hydroelectric energy. Option B, solar energy. Option C, geothermal energy. Option D, nuclear energy. Right answer is option C, geothermal energy. Next question, Minamata disease was caused by eating fish which have high levels of. Option A, arsenic. Option B, mercury. Option D, cadmium. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option B, mercury. Next question, maximum ozone depletion has been observed in which of the following? Option A, the North Pole. Option B, the South Pole. Option C, the equator. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, the South Pole. Next question, the Red Data Book is related to option A, pollution in rivers. Option B, decreasing underground water level. Option C, animals near extinction. Option D, air pollution. Right answer is option C, animals near extinction. Next question, which of the following gases soluble in rainwater causes acidic? Option A, hydrogen peroxide. Option B, nitrogen monoxide. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, sulfur dioxide. Right answer is option D, sulfur dioxide. Next question, what is rainwater harvesting? Option A, collection and storage of used water. Option B, collection and storage of rainwater. Option C, distribution of water. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, collection and storage of rainwater. Next question, Indian rhinoceros is protected in option A, Corbett National Park. Option B, Kaziranga National Park. Option C, Bandipur National Park. Option D, Gir National Park. Right answer is option B, Kaziranga National Park. Next question, which one of the following series is true about energy flow in an ecosystem? Option A, producer, decomposer, consumers. Option B, decomposer, consumer, producer. Option C, producer, consumer, decomposer. Option D, compressor, producer, decomposer. Right answer is option C, producer, consumer, decomposer. Next question, greenhouse gas which is present in the highest quantity in atmosphere is? Option A, propane. Option B, ethane. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, methane. Right answer option C, carbon dioxide. Next question, plants are green due to the presence of which pigment? Option A, carotene. Option B, lycopene. Option C, anthocyanin. Option D, chlorophyll. Right answer is option D, chlorophyll. Next question. Human activities that cause climate change on the earth include option A, burning of forest, option B, agriculture activities, option C, use of aerosol cans, option D, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Which crop belonging the family Euphorbiaceae is known for producing biodiesel? Option A, Jatropha, option B, Candleaton tree, option C, copperleaf, option D, Sarpagandha. Right answer is option A, Jatropha. Next question. Which is the first Indian airline company that used biofuel as ATF in August 2018? Option A, Jet Airways, option B, Vistara, option C, Air India, option D, SpiceJet. Right answer is option D, SpiceJet. Next question. The capacity of India's most powerful electric locomotive engine made in Madhepura Locomotive Factory is option A, 9000 HP, option B, 10,000 HP, option C, 11,000 HP, option D, 12,000 HP. Right answer is option D, 12,000 HP. Next question. The Global Wildlife Program 2017 witnessed the release of which documents? Option A, National Wildlife Action Program, option B, Secure Himalayas, option C, both A and B, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, National Wildlife Action Program. Among the mathematical indices for measuring biodiversity, which one shows the mean species diversity in a habitat at a local scale? Option A, alpha index, option B, beta index, option C, gamma index, option D, none of these. Right answer is alpha index. Next question. Which among the following is environmental pollutants as responsible for acid rain? Option A, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, option B, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, option C, nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide, option D, ozone and carbon dioxide. Right answer is option C, nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Next question. Which of the following plant grown in non-forest area has been omitted from the definition of trees in the Indian Forest Amendment Act 2017? Option A, plum, option B, canis, option C, bamboo, option D, banana. Right answer is option C, bamboo. Next question. National Research Center on Seed Species, it is located at option A, Dumara, Ajmer, option B, Mandor, Jodhpur, option C, Bichwal, Bikaner, option D, Durgapura, Jaipur. Option A, Dumara, Ajmer. Next question. Which one of the following statement is incorrect in reference to compost? Option A, in this biodegradable waste is decomposed in pits. Option B, it is rich in organic matter and nutrients. Option C, the process of decomposition in pits is slowed down by earthworms. Option D, the waste material decomposed in farm waste material like livestock extra, vegetable waste extra, etc. Right answer is option C, the process of decomposition in pits is slowed down by earthworms. Next question. Which state has started a scheme called Kannabham Samruddhi Yojana to empower women and promote tree plantation? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Sikkim. Option C, Maharashtra. Option D, Rajasthan. Right answer is option C, Maharashtra.